little amount.
And definitely later on, we shall be dissecting the nitty-gritties of this particular move by the government and how fuel remaining at that 200 shilling mark, just dropping slightly, has an impact on the economy, and can it go lower? That's the big question that a lot of Kenyans are asking. We shall be dissecting that later on with one of our analysts, rather. But now let's head to Malindi, where investors have garnered a renewed interest in the resort towns of Malindi and Watamu, a move that is promising for the tourism sector. A number of resorts are undergoing renovations, with investors inculcating modern ways of attracting tourists. Many have lauded the free visa move as a step in the right direction, but noted that key infrastructure, such as an international airport in Malindi, will be a game changer for the town and also for the sector.
We have an international airport here in Malindi. It would help if international planes could land in Malindi. So an extension of a runway would really support the tourism at large in Malindi, not only our resort, but also our neighboring resort and the tourism at large. We are happy how Watamu is doing and how it's developing, and we do believe that Malindi can compete with Watamu, and we came here to compete.
It definitely will help Malindi to be recognizable and easily accessible to the international customers, apart of course, the local clientele, which is coming here and enjoying their own motherland.
The tourism in this moment is very good. Watamu is growing very fast. We can easily think that we will reach more than 35,000 occupancy for this year.
All right, also a big story today matters to do with back to